Hello ma'am, welcome to our show Thoughts on Education. Dr. Preeti Yadav, as you're the HOD of Communication Design as well as Head of International Collaboration. I really would like to know more about you and your journey.
Thank you for this interaction. So I have a 20 plus years experience in academic and the industry, and during my this particular experience I served many renowned national universities like Amity, APJ, World University of Design, Pearl, and right now I'm associated with DPU School of Design. So during my journey, yes, I interact with many students, and being an educator, it is my firm belief that this generation student is our upcoming designer. So being an educator, it is my responsibility to groom them in such a beautiful manner so they can solve the real world problem. So that is the one thing which I really want to communicate to my students. And yes, as I'm talking about my journey, so I did my PhD from IIT Guwahati, and my main specialization in communication design. And there only I got to understand how the research played a very important role. And yes, in the design, the cross culture thing is very important, where the student got to learn about the various aspects, because design provide the solution to each and every situation, from if we're talking about the Western culture or the Indian culture. So yes, the student has to explore many things. And yes, when we're talking about the exploration, so we have to understand the different academics. Like I did my many courses from UAL and the London College of Art, so where I understand the different culture, provide the different solution to the society. That is a one thing.
Okay, so ma'am, as you have talked about the research are the important role in this industry. So how does the curriculum of DPU School of Design ensure the best practice of industry?
I like this question very much, and I love to answer this question. Yes, DPU, especially DPU School of Design, provide the curriculum to our upcoming designers, because we design our curriculum which is directly linked to the industry requirement as well as the UGC guideline. So we provide the combo thing to the student, where they learn many things through the exposure, through the life industry project. So these are our main understanding about the curriculum. It will help to provide the student a full knowledge on the basis of industry as well as the academic also.
Great. Any message to the youth of this generation, ma'am?
My main message for the youth is they have to explore, because design, when we talking about the design is creativity. But when we talking about the creativity is not only the what you feel. Creativity is how you provide the right solution to the society which facing any problem. So being a designer, being an educator, it is our firm belief.
Thank you so much for your time, ma'am.
Thank you so much.